We are going to discuss about the lens and cataract. So for understanding the cataract, we have to look at the anatomy of lens, what structures are present inside the lens to understand the concept of cataract. So lens is biconvex, transparent and crystalline in appearance. Its transparent structure, biconvex, crystalline. Biconvex structure, crystalline in appearance. It develops from surface ectoderm during third week of gestation and continue to grow throughout the life. Now look at the eye structure of eyeball. This, this one is the outer layer of the eyeball, outer protective layer. This is iris. Behind iris, this is lens. It is present behind iris and in front of vitreous. This one is the vitreous humor. So lens is present between iris and vitreous in a saucer shaped fossa depression called as patellar fossa. Lens is present between iris and vitreous in patellar fossa. Its refractive index is, this one is the location, and the refractive index of lens cortex is 1.3 and nucleus is 1.4. Refractive index of lens cortex is 1.3 and nucleus is 1.41. 1.3 cortex and nucleus is 1.41. Lens is transparent structure. 80% of all rays are transmitted through the lens because it's transparent and crystalline in nature. So what structures are present? Our lens is made up of, it is made up of capsule. This one is the capsule of the lens. Behind the capsule there is epithelium, the cortex, nucleus. This one is the nucleus of lens. This one is nucleus of the lens. This one is the cortex of lens. Cortex is made up of fibers. This one is the epithelium present behind anterior pole of the capsule. Capsule has two poles. One is anterior, which is present anteriorly, and the posterior pole present posteriorly. So behind anterior pole there is epithelium, which is cuboidal in nature. Function of epithelium is it maintains transparency and meiotic activity. Now coming to the capsule, as I have already told, there are two poles, anterior pole and posterior pole of the lens capsule. Capsule is transparent structure, permeable to water and small molecule. It is elastic in nature. Behind anterior capsule there is epithelium, which is cuboidal in nature. So this is the anterior pole, this is posterior pole of the capsule. Capsule of the lens. The outermost structure of the lens is capsule, and behind anterior pole there is epithelium, cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium behind anterior pole of the capsule. Cuboidal epithelium of the anterior pole of the capsule. So the structures of the lens are capsule, nucleus, cortex, epithelium. Capsule is transparent and elastic. Epithelium is cuboidal in nature. This one is the capsule of the lens. anterior pole. This is epithelium, which is cuboidal in nature, and its function is metabolic and mitotic activity. Cuboidal epithelium. Mitotic activity and metabolic function of cuboidal epithelium present behind anterior capsule of the lens. And this one is the cortex present in between nucleus and anterior pole of the lens. This cortex, and this one is the nucleus of the lens present at the center of the lens. This one is the nucleus. So we have studied the structures of the lens like capsule, epithelium, cortex and nucleus. Epithelium is cuboidal in nature, capsule has two parts. Thanks for watching.